Okay, Cruise by Mandy. We are on the sun deck, deck 17 of the Sky Princess, and this is very, very, very similar to the Royal Princess, except some big changes. Number one, this is called a pool terrace out here because there's now a pool. Royal Princess did not have the pool. You still have the same fitness center and youth activity centers here, but the teen lounge does not have their own hot tub like we did on Royal Princess. Got the big long decks here. And then over here, this used to be a lot of seating area around this retreat pool. And now the retreat pool is more enclosed in, and right above it is the sanctuary. So my room is probably right here under 224, roughly, just underneath it. But if I went out and up the stairs, there's the retreat pool right here. And these are some new suites up here. Different, and it took away some of the public space, so that one I was not too cool with. We'll come back to the fitness center in just a second. I did already do videos previously of the children's areas. This hallway and to the left, we've got Camp Discovery, the beach house. So you've basically got ages 3 through 12 and then 13 through 17 here. Now this ship had less than 40 people that qualified for those. And if you are here to do some photography, upgraded photography, there you go. And oh my gosh, I still have not made it down to the photography yet. Oh, I've got to go there. I'm just gonna have to, after this I'm going downstairs. I need to get a picture of us with Yudi. Here we go. Fitness center, real quick. We're gonna walk through. I'll take bets if anybody's awake working. Oh no, here we go. Yes, okay. School of the Gifted, push-pull. Okay, lots of equipment here in the gym. And if you've seen me post previously, I've also posted about using the gym if you are in part of a physical therapy regimen, such as if you are recovering from an injury, but you still had a cruise booked and you still need to continue with what your physical therapist has prescribed for you. I know our family has a phenomenal physical therapist, and she laid out exactly what needed to be worked on, and it was done. Any cruise we've been on, she's like, oh great, going on a cruise again. Okay, here's what you need to do. Here are the machines. Here's what I want you doing. And if you've ever seen recovery when surgery should have been expected again, stick with your recovery with your physical therapist. The ship has many, many different types of machines. Even just using the bicycle for your recovery from a knee injury can help. Got these things that I don't bear touching. Have your ellipticals and your other pre-core weight machines here. So lots to use here. One very, very, very big difference I noticed between the ship and the Royal. We loved the outdoor fitness area on board the Royal Princess. Used it daily for a month, including our children. Different outdoor physical activities we could do with the signage of how to use them. Give us fresh air. We were outdoors. There was a walking track. Definitely used it, and it doesn't exist on the ship. If I understand correctly, it is not going to be added to this ship. So that's one huge difference between the Royal Princess and the Sky Princess, if that's important to you. Let's check out this hot tub. Somebody left their drink here. Does feel good. I did not get in the hot tub a single time. I did go swimming with the stingrays. I did not get in the hot tub or the swimming pool. There's your shower to stay clean. And Movies Under the Stars. That's the back of the screen for Movies Under the Stars. Yesterday, the Dallas Cowboys game was shown, televised live. I watched the Super Bowl on board Royal Princess, televised live. So they always provide the blankets if it's a little chilly outside, the bags of popcorn. You have the hot dogs, hamburgers, pizza back here on deck 16 available. Equator ceremony. When the Royal Princess crossed the equator for the very first time ever in February, Matt O was the cruise director. He was surprised when they ducked him as well. Remember, King Neptune kissing the fish. If you've ever Googled crossing the equator ceremony, that's important. And where did I sit and watch a webinar today? since I was on a webinar every day this week and still handling all emails. I didn't even have my auto reply on. I was still working my normal 7:30 to 2:30, checking phones, answering things as I could. And then people that emailed after 2:30 in the afternoon, if they caught me at dinner, then I was like, sorry, I'll get back to you in a few hours. Where did I watch that webinar from today to finish up another certification, or another certificate actually? Right here. These have already been put away, but it was right here in this area. My family was watching The Greatest Snowman right up there on the big screen that's gone night-night tonight. I was sitting over here all nerdy looking with my computer laptop out here and my headphones, my Bose noise canceling headphones to watch that. What you see above here, you got the new suites. These are suites levels up here, more of a panoramic view. So as you can see, they are a little bit different than on the previous Royal class of ships on the Princess Fleet Royal class. So last quick peek at the pool area. Princess has been so good to us these last 3 nights. Super, and this is the 3rd night. I hate to disembark in the morning, but you've seen me post from the Skyview Bar over there, or the Seaview Walk, and the Seaview Walk over there, Sea Walks over there. So I'm gonna run down, check the photos. I'm sure they're already closed, and I need to make sure I give Beauty one more hug. One of the crew members I was super happy to see on board. Cruise by Mandy signing off. I'm gonna head down to deck 6, see if the photography is hopefully still open.